Asilwane boy, antwana inamagama abhaya bathi kulokhu funa ukunifakela isitori sokuthi waye bangibiza shotgun cho Skof, bekuyizinto zama-Saturday vibes ngiphethe enye yaseThongadiba ibiza long tom ziwa kabhaya kunamanye ama-crutman aphethe ezinye iphalaphala zabo big mom mina ngilibele ngibelesele ngomlomo yangasibrawm engithola isikhathi ngu-talking tom ama-big girl sowaqhazekile dem sowangitreat nice alibele ngisaplaya ngesinekha uyangazi ngumafobela ngathi ngilentwana yakuma-3 ninjas bayibiza tamtam sijikijiki sengibezwa bayaqoqa babodwa bathi lentwana engaqokile iskipa yama-tattoos yasenzela bajovana ile-smile sami sama-bling bling sebaqhazekile bathi ngiphethe istayela oyowani wagcina sekasondela kimi wathi boy feel free ungabiza noma iliphi ibhodlela konke umama uzokhokhela ngiyabona lapha kuboma-social media uyihenisi lava biza my boy konke ngizokukhokhela utshwala bangiphenduli easy target ngagcina sengiqaqekile ngaguduka naye nokuguduka naye samuvela kwenye luxury big house only mina naye iphathi sayoyiqhubela khona angeke ngisakusho kubhaya kaw you all know the rest ngeke ngisakusho kubhaya kaw you all know the rest ngivele kwababusapha ematrasini ngalo mama my sugar mama says she likes the work oh damn uthi ngimenza feel like a 16 years old girl oh yeah my nigga she likes the work and she says that's the reason why she call me shotgun my nigga ngiye hard on that big girl wahlanyazela applying like a 16 years old girl that punani so hot ngafunga bekadlaliswa for the first time damn I enjoy that cake big girl oh shit I like it when you ride me big girl for sure naye sekaqwele ngokuthi ngube ndalilalwa zingane lalisagijima igazi mama sidlali nengane oh damn I like it when she call me shotgun she says when I shoot ngithunyafele ngikareke rifle gun oh damn mesehlanyazela ungibiza gama kalibizwa shotgun Mr Gun dubula wama-unlimited bullets isipam sami somtoko sikhuthele kawusekasi-accusa ngokuphuza impesu uthi yasolisa lento after so many rounds alizeli nokuzela liphathwa nayisiyezi mfana omncane wenzangani ungenza ngikhohlwe ukuthi ame 30 years old big girl ungibusisa amaso ungenza ngedoku libele uthi shake that ass girl wathemthami kanakho shake that nyash girl hey shake that ass my sugar mama says she likes the work oh damn uthi ngimenza feel like a 16 years old girl oh yeah my nigga she likes the work and she says that's the reason why she call me shotgun oh damn my nigga she likes the work oh yes she likes the work